So you go onto these websites and you find that your data has been exposed in one or multiple data breaches.
Oh, hell no!
Now, what are you supposed to do? First thing that I can recommend to you is to change your password. When you change your password, you ensure that it's a strong password with all the recommendations that I gave to you in my past videos. By changing your passwords, even though your data has been exposed or leaked, a hacker, whoever has that information, can no longer go into your account because you changed your passwords, making the data that they have that was exposed no longer correct, meaning they can no longer use it. The second thing that I can recommend to you is turning on two-factor authentication. And again, this is just an added layer of protection, and this helps you just in case your data gets exposed again and someone tries to hack into your accounts or log into your accounts, they won't be able to due to you having two-factor authentication. And in turn, you also will more than likely get a notification of, hey, someone's tried to go into your account. And this will tell you, hey, you need to change your passwords once again, and your data is most likely exposed.